Today I'm going to show you what I think is the easiest style to do for any special occasion, even if you're not good at doing your own hair. What you are going to need for this style is a hairbrush. You're going to need some hair ties, probably just one, some product to hold down your baby hairs, keep your hair slicked back, and a fake ponytail, preferably a curly one. This is one of my synthetic hairpiece ponytails. It is from the company Updo. It's literally just like a little, looks like a little mini hairpiece with a little clip here, and then it's got this bit here for wrapping around. I love this one because it is curly, so it just looks a little more fancy. I literally just wore this last week to my brother's wedding. Insert picture. It is such a quick and easy way to put up your hair, especially if you want that ponytail style, but you know, your ponytail looks like this, so you only got so much hair to work with. Well, let's use fake hair. So again, this is synthetic hair. The color match to my hair is very, very close. It looks very good together. I did tone it a little. That's why this is purple. This comes as a blonde lace, but I dyed it with violet fabric dye to get it to be a little less yellow when I got it. And so that also did stain the fabric. So this hairstyle, like I said, is super, super simple. We're just going to start with a ponytail, which I already have my hair in a ponytail today. My hair is oily, but I usually prefer to do these slicked ponytails on hair wash days because my hair stays in them better. Freshly washed hair, I'm going to get all these little baby hairs just like flying around. I will still need to put product in if I'm going to wear it all day, but the natural oils from my hair give me a really good sleek base to work with. All right, now I like to put my ponytail quite high when I am doing a fake ponytail because I like to see it a little bit from the front. So the further back on your head you wear it, the less you're going to see it from the front, and the further up on your head you wear it, you're going to see some of that ponytail from the front. So I like to go right up here so we can see some of that ponytail from the front. Now before I add, I'm just going to make sure I don't have any lumps or bumps, so we can see there I've got a little lump, so I'm just going to take it out. I'm going to use my boar bristle brush. That's like these types of bristles instead of plastic bristles. That is not all my hair. That is hair from the ponytail when I brushed it. I would die if my hair shed that badly when I brushed it. But yeah, a boar bristle brush is going to smooth your hair even better. And make sure that you sort out all those lumps before you start to put your ponytail in, because trying to do that after, you're just gonna have to take it all apart. So get your ponytail sorted before you add the hairpiece. All right. So now I'm just gonna tie it again. Much better. Now at this point I would probably add a little bit of product, either my wax stick or my smoothing wand, just in all those little baby hairs, but I wouldn't add my hairspray yet. I don't want to commit until I'm done. So I never hairspray until I'm fully done, but at this point I would run through any smoothing product I had lightly just to keep all those little baby hairs in place. All right, so we are going to take the ponytail now, and it's going to be similar to the other ponytail tutorial I did recently that I will link. In that one, it was a human hair ponytail, and the attachment is slightly different than this one. I do find this one a little easier to put on than that one, but I do find more ponytails come like that one, so it's good to know how to do that. I do love that this one actually has a piece of hair designated for wrapping around the ponytail. In the other piece I have to just take a piece of the ponytail as opposed to it having the designated piece. But they're both great. That one isn't curly, it's straight, although because it is human hair, you could, sorry, I'm just trying to like fix this spot here. I know I'm just like looking down, but a bunch of hair stuck in the Velcro here. And I moved my camera up so you can see the top of my head better, so it looks like I'm just looking down. But I'm just trying to fix the hair while I talk. But yeah, you could curl the human hair ponytail because obviously you can apply heat. I like to try and avoid heat styling my human hair pieces too much because obviously it causes a little bit of damage. But I also find with some of these synthetic hair pieces, the curls are going to last better. You don't have to worry about them falling out. They are in there. They do not come out. You can be out in the heat, the humidity, you can dance all night. You don't have to worry about those curls dropping. The hair might get a little tangly, it might get a little frizzy from friction, but it is not susceptible to humidity. It is not susceptible to anything. So if I want my curls in a ponytail, I will typically just go with the curly ponytail as opposed to curling one of my straight hair pieces. All right, so we're just gonna take the little comb here and we're just gonna stick it in our hair, and I'm gonna put it right in and up underneath my ponytail, not into my hair so that it lays flat like that. It can be quite bulky, but right up into that ponytail, just like that. Just like that, so it's kind of like laying this way, not this way up on my head. I hope that makes sense. Sometimes it's really hard to show you guys things on camera. All right, and then I'm just gonna bring the bottom of the ponytail down and the bottom of the other part of the ponytail down underneath. Then I just bring the little tail that's attached and I just wrap that around several times until it's done. And you can see this one is super, super easy to put in. Very, very beginner friendly. So once I'm at the end there, I will just grab a bobby pin. If I'm gonna wear it all night, I'll usually add several bobby pins. But I'm just gonna take the bobby pin and grab the bottom of that hair and then stick it in. I like to grab the hair before I stick it in, that way I know for sure I've got the hair. And then if I'm going to be going out all night, I would add a few more pins just to the perimeter of the ponytail. But that's it. It is now in, and you have this amazing, adorable ponytail. I would then go in and sort of fix. Now, see, it's a little bit more bumpy here than over here. And at this point, instead of trying to slick it back, I would just loosen this side a little just to make them match a little better. Just gently. You could also go in and try to brush it back, but you're going to get some bumps towards the back if you do that. Once I'm happy with how everything is smooth, I will add a little bit more of my smoothing product to all those baby hairs and then fully saturate everything with a Stronghold hairspray so that it lasts all night. This ponytail has so much hair, it just like envelops my ponytail inside it. I don't have to do anything to hide my ponytail. Literally, you can't see it. It's not too heavy. It really doesn't feel heavy at all. By putting it into your ponytail and with the clip and the way that it wraps around, it really seems to distribute the weight of the ponytail really, really well. Look at that. It's just so pretty. And it literally looks like you just styled your hair with these big, voluptuous curls. And really all you did was clip on this ponytail hairpiece. And it just looks fabulous. And it is so easy. All you have to know how to do is put your hair in a ponytail. So if you have a wedding coming up for this wedding season, I know spring is coming, lots of weddings, summer, this is a great style. Even if you are someone who knows how to do your hair, but you want your hair up and off your body. At my brother's wedding, it was going to be very hot. I didn't want to have to wear my hair down. I wanted it up, off my face, off my neck. Ponytail is perfect, but my natural hair is just not capable of a beautiful, glamorous ponytail. So this is my solution and I love it. And I just wanted to share this one with you guys. Like I said, this one is Hairdo USA, but there are plenty of amazing ponytail hair extensions out there if you explore. Absolutely doesn't have to be this one. I have some from all kinds of brands, and honestly, I love them all. They're all different, they're all unique, and they're all beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments if you try out a ponytail hair extension and how that goes for you, or if you have any questions, I would love to answer those for you in the comments. Like and subscribe, especially if you're not already a subscriber. We'd love to have you as part of our DIY Hair School family. And liking my content really helps me out here and makes it easier for me to keep creating content for you guys. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and share my video with anyone that you think would find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.